The Pixel 4 and 4 XL are Google's latest and best handsets. Starting at $799 for the 4 and $899 for the 4 XL, the biggest difference between the two is their size. The XL has a higher screen density compared to its smaller siblings, but you can't really tell the difference. A 90Hz refresh rate, which Google calls smooth display, makes the screens noticeably smoother when it's on. On the back, you'll find a new square camera stack that houses two sensors. The primary lens is 12.2 megapixels with an f1.7 aperture, and the new telephoto lens clocks in at 16 megapixels with an f2.4 aperture. Both phones take stunning photos with exceptionally good low-light performance. Hardly a surprise. The Pixels are powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 chipset, 6 GB of RAM, and come with 64 GB or 128 GB of storage. Unfortunately, you can't add external storage via microSD card. Battery life is good, but not outstanding. The phones run Android 10 with a custom UI, including features like live caption, face unlock, and motion sense. Thanks to powerful hardware, terrific cameras, and superior software, the Pixel 4 and 4 XL earn our editor's choice. Check out the full comparison and in-depth review at PCMag.com.